Hi creatives, Lauren Elizabeth here. I'm back with Lauren Elizabeth Animal Art. I am still recovering from a nasty case of the flu, but today is video 3 in our Set the Tone series, where we start our days at least 10-15 minutes in a positive way in our sketchbooks and or journals. In case you missed the other videos in this series, I'm providing these exercises that we do in our sketchbooks to boost that creativity, to help us just come down and turn off and reset and really enjoy that creative play. And what I demonstrated in the last video in this series, which by the way, I have them linked down below, these exercises can be very helpful in helping us create those ideas and develop them for original paintings, ones that feel unique, fun, exciting, and authentic. And that actually was the result after today's prompt, which I'll show you in a moment, which led to another original that I call Your Canary Signal. So if you're ready, all you need is 10-15 minutes and any art supplies that you have available to you. Paper, colored pencils, just a pen will do, markers, what have you. And let's get started. All right, so an exercise to draw out those authentic, unique ideas. Today's prompt is to create a spread in your sketchbook around one repeating theme in your life over the last 10 years. Now, there's no right or wrong answer here, so you don't need to judge it. The box is wide open here. It does not have to be an animal-related theme, although it can be. So let me give you a few examples, and then I'll dive into my spread. So for you, this last decade might be marked by pretty significant mental health challenges. So your word might be perseverance, or it might be emotional roller coaster. Or maybe in the last 10 years, you've connected with an amazing community. So your theme could be friendship. It might even help to write down some of the experiences, the challenges, the triumphs in the last 10 years, and then look for a pattern. Now, before I tell you my theme for this prompt, what came up for me includes a mama canary and a nest of eggs that are about to hatch, also Gerber daisies that I'm playfully experimenting with. Then a simple little rose came up, and then some ferns. And then soon you'll see I add a little teacup behind here with a little tea bag on the side. Do you notice I haven't used my eraser yet? Try and just let what is there to come out. And even if it doesn't look very pretty, even if it looks a little bit chaotic. So my theme is garden, if you couldn't already guess. A garden with weeds and also lots of life and flowers. And that's how I very much experienced the last 10 years this way. Lots of challenges, but so much more growth. Personal growth that I truly feel has blessed so many other areas of my life. So for you, with that theme in mind, what kind of elements can you connect with it? What symbols, what words, what colors, designs, patterns? Let's say you keep repeating different shaped stars. Well, what do stars mean to you? And don't judge the random things that may be popping up. Those could lead to other things and give you more insights. Hi creatives, sorry to interrupt, but I will be opening registration soon for my style course. This is called the Original Animal Artists Course and Monthly Challenge, where I help creatives learn how to build these unique, colorful originals using their sketchbooks and my 5-phase creativity system that surfaces your authentic, unique artist style. So the waiting list is in a link down below. I will be opening registration quite soon, so that'll be linked down below. But guys, let's get back to this video. I tell you, creatives, self-reflection has been a huge part of my creative journey and in surfacing my own artist style, because what it does is it helps us embrace vulnerability, process some struggles and some things that actually helps us connect with our audience. It also helps us avoid falling into the trap of imitation, copying other artists, but instead helps us focus on our unique perspective. And so it was this 15-minute exercise in my sketchbook that led to this original painting I call Your Canary Signal. Now, more on the deeper meaning of that painting and the others that are going on sale right now. I have a link down below and the promo code to my spring sale. This 25% off sale ends tonight, guys. That's on all my paper and canvas originals. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.